I'm in the real estate business, and so it means a lot to find a company that has personal service. And one of the things that was important to me was that White Pelican took the time to have us meet them in their office. I couldn't get any other company in the village to do that. They wanted to just take all the information over the phone and go into their program. I kind of wanted to meet the people that were going to be taking care of my residents. Well, I think when you're an out-of-state resident, trust becomes extremely important.
Us being away a lot of the time and the place possibly being empty, we discussed, the way in which they monitor the property and check up on it every now and then.
One of the things that we appreciated a lot was the fact that there's been a couple of instances where we've needed somebody fairly quickly on maintenance.
Their fella came over usually the same day or the next day and took care of it. And I've been very pleased with that aspect of their service.
We like the maintenance part is the fact that there is a handyman service available 24/7, and that's very comforting to us as homeowners here.
We're very confident using White Pelican because of their security. Also, their home watch service is very well. We get a report or an email every time they came out to the house.
They would come for home watch. They would check every aspect of the home. They would check the plumbing, the heating, the windows and the locks. They would check the sprinkler heads. And they would take pictures of any item that they would find that might be questionable, or just pictures to give you security that everything is just fine.
Right, and also another thing is if the service was needed and there would be somebody on site with the contractor to take care of the service, and there were never any issues, and when they would come in we would get a notification, and when they left we also received a notification saying that the service was completed.
It just gave us that additional peace of mind knowing that everything was being watched after.
My wife and I would highly recommend White Pelican as a home watch service. They're very efficient and they're very personable, and if there are any issues they will call you or they will send an email. They're very, very, very good people to work with.